Hello dear student, this is Ankita from the race classes. Today we are here to discuss about the topic based on our numerical, perimeter and area, measurement as well as introduction to negative number. Student, we have already covered these topics in our previous videos. Now we are going to discuss the numerical based on this one. Understood, no? Because numerical is one of the most important part to be discussed in mathematics. As much as questions you are going to practice, that will be helpful for your examinations, and that is also going to make your speeds faster while solving the problem. So here in this video we are going to discuss different problems based on the taught topic. First is our introduction to negative number, second is our measurement, and third topic for ours will be perimeter and area. This video is helpful for classes 4th and 5th especially, because the questions has been taken from class 4th and class 5th as well. Clear, no? So first our topic is what? Introduction to negative number. We know in this chapter we discussed about negative number, like negative numbers are what? In front of the numbers, if we have the symbol of minus, -1, -2, -3, we are going to see the symbol minus over there, then we can see such numbers are your negative number. We solved many problem in the previous video as well, but here we are going to solve the problems in deep. I'll tell you what type of questions you are going to ask with and what are the things you will face, where you will face difficulty while dealing with this chapter. So children, before moving to the topic, first of all, I have explained negative number, then we read it about integers, we read it about natural number, whole number, negative number, integers. In this chapter we discuss about integers as well. Integers are what? There are two types of integers. One is your positive integer and other is your negative integers. We have read also about the representation of integers on number line as well as the addition and subtraction of that integers too. Understood? These all are the things which we have read. Now we are here to discuss the questions based on topic introduction to negative number. So children, we are going to start with the first question, and your first question is about to discuss the numerical based on introduction to negative number. Like in this chapter you are going to discuss about 2-3 things that you know. First is your absolute value, second is your representation on number line and ascending and descending order, then additive, inverse and all. For example, if the question is given, find the absolute value of the following. It's very easy, and most of these questions can be raised from here. Find the absolute value of the following. If this is your first question, find the absolute value of the following. Understood, no? So in previous also I have taught you, and now again I am going to share what is absolute value. Absolute value always to be kept in a mod. Means it has been surrounded by two brackets, and whether inside the bracket, if the number is positive or negative, we are not going to put our head on that. When the numbers comes out of that bracket, always that numbers continues as a positive. Understood, no? Like few examples I'll give. Your question is find the absolute value of the following. Your question itself is given, find the absolute value of the following. Like first question of yours which we are going to write and discuss will be your, if question is given -11, if your question is given -11, that is a symbol of to write the number in absolute value. These two mods are given. When this will come out, please take it here, please look into this. If this symbol is minus, you know already this number is your negative number. What type of number? Negative number. When you are going to put this number out of this mod or these two boxes, you can see this is just the symbol, then always you are going to get the positive number. This is your first problem that I am explaining now. Negative number is being converted with a positive number, as well as we are going to remove the brackets. That is your first type. This type of questions can be dealt with absolute value problem. Always the value of the given number is positive integers. Clear? Understood now? So second of yours we are going to discuss from here. If your number is given -21, I hope you don't have any doubt. You can just share your answers in comment section as well. So -21 is given. -21. I told you already, first your job is to remove these two mods or two brackets. After removing the bracket, you have to keep your attention on this negative sign. Always this negative sign is going to convert into positive side. Understood, no? So this -21 can be written as 21. This is your second part that we are dealing with. Clear? Next, When we are going to discuss the C part of yours, please note it down these two questions. C part I'll give you for solving. C part of yours is given plus 20. C part of yours is given plus 20. That will be done by you. I expect this answer from your side. And D of yours is given only 10. This also I expect the answer from your end. What answer you are going to give for these questions? So I'm just seeing the answers in comment sections. Please give your valuable answers over there. I told you already, whether the number is positive or the number is negative, always we get answers as in positive integers. Clear? So here we are having plus 20. What we are going to get? We are going to get 20 as well. And please guess for the next one what we are going to get. Like first, minus 11 can be written as 11, minus 21 can be written as 21, plus 20 can be written as 20. So what about plus 10? Or if nothing is given in front of that number, what you are going to write? Please think of it. Okay, fine, good. So we are going to write only as a positive 10. Clear now, children? Understood? That means when we are dealing with absolute value questions, always the numbers which we are getting after this mod, we are always getting the positive number. Understood? Now, based on this one, few questions for you. You have to solve and give your valuable answers in comment section. Like first question of yours is there, minus 17. You have to write its valuable answer. Second of yours is given, plus 25. Third of yours is given, only 2. And fourth of yours is given, minus 11 I have given already, no? Minus 10 also I have given, yeah. Minus 14. Clear? So these all are your questions that you have to give the answers in comment sections. I'll just evaluate your knowledge, whether you have understood the things properly or not. Otherwise, again, I'll bring one more videos where I have to explain the things once again to make you understand the concepts. This all is about your absolute value. First type of questions which we are dealing with the topic, introduction to negative number. Next, now we are going to deal with the second part of ours, that is basically the questions are asking in a arrange the given number in ascending and descending order. There are two type of order that we have read already. First is your ascending and otherwise your descending. Ascending means from smaller to the bigger. Understood, no children? And descending means what? From bigger to the smaller. Clear? Understood about it? Ascending from smaller to the bigger, descending from bigger to the smaller. So here arrange the given number in which order? Ascending or descending. You have to arrange the number in both the order. You have to go with it. Clear? So please note down this question, then I'll give a common hint and then I'll let you know in what way we are going to solve the problems. First of all, please note down what we are going to do in the questions. You can share your valuable answers in comment section as well. So please note it down. Your questions are minus 3, 0, 2, 8, minus 4, 6, 1 and positive 5. Suppose this is your number. You can see this series is a combination of your negative, positive, 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 negative, positive, positive, positive. Let's write one more negative. That will be your minus 1. This series of yours is a combination of positive as well as negative number. Understood, no? This series is what? This series is thus the combination of positive and negative integers. Here we are going to arrange the number in, first of all, we are going to arrange in ascending order. Understood, children? So, first we are going to write like this, ascending order. To write the number in ascending order, we are going to write the number from smaller to the bigger. And in our previous video, when you will read the full concept of this chapter, you came to know that always the greater number with negative symbol is smaller, and the number with smaller symbol having the negative numbers, that will be the bigger one. Like for example, if we are going to talk about 4 is smaller than 5, and you can just understand from here 5 is bigger number and 4 is smaller number. But when we are going to discuss about negative integers, then minus 4 is bigger and minus 5 is smaller. But in case of positive integers, 4 is bigger and 5 is smaller. That is the difference that we are going to find. Now you can see we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smaller to the bigger. First of all, let's find minus 3, minus 0, 2, 8, minus 4, 6, 1, 5, minus 1. That means here we are having 3 negative integers. Rest of all the numbers, we are having a positive integers. First of all, as the number will be bigger with a negative number, that much smaller the number is, that much bigger the number is, that much smaller the value of that number particular is having. Like if you are going to talk about negative integers, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 1. In this, minus 4 is smallest, then this one and then this one. So we are going to write first number as minus 3, second will be your minus, first is your minus 4, second is your minus 3, and next will be your minus 1. Now negative numbers are over. As the number will be bigger, that much lesser the value is. As the number will be lesser, that much big the value is. Here minus 1 is more bigger as compared to minus 4. Now after that, what we are going to write it about? We are going to write, next we'll find 0, 2, 8, 6, 1, 5. We can see, no, on when we are representing the number line, we have seen in that representation we would like to discuss 0 is a number line which is neither positive nor a negative integer, and it is going to segregate positive integers on right side and negative integers on left side. That we know already. When we are so here 0 is a number which is going to segregate. So just after minus 1, we are going to write what? 0. Clear? Now we'll go in a proper order. After 0, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just after the 0, we have which number? 2, 8, 6, 1, 5. So just after 0, we are having which integer? Positive integers 1. Clear? Understood? Next we are having, after 1, we are having 2. Clear? Understood now? Next we are having, we don't have positive 3, then we are having, we don't have positive 4 also, then we are having 5. So we are going to write 5 as well. Clear? Next, after 5, we have 6 also, so we are going to write the next as 6, and we don't have 7 in this series, so we are going to write as an 8. This is what? Arrange the given number in ascending order as per their representations on with the negative and positive integers. So this is what? This is your order: minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Clear? That is your which order? Ascending order. It can be written as in this way also, like which one is smallest, like this also you can write. Both way is correct. So it's better for you to write the same. That means you can write in another way that I am going to tell you. That will be your, like this you can write minus 4, then you will write minus 3, minus 1, 0. Next you will write 1, then 2, then 5, then 6, and then last you have 8. Now you can count the numbers from here to there. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when we are counting the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means whatever the integers we have copied, almost we have written the same integers, only the orders are different. So in this both way you can write. Basically try to write in both way to avoid the confusions. For examinations paper also both way is correct. Clear? Now we are dealing with the second form of yours with the descending order. Which order? Descending. Descending means the number which is bigger here will be the first one. I told you already, no? When we are going to stand on this ladder, then for descending order we have to move down from there. So which one is the biggest one? This one. Then this one. Then this. Only the symbols will be different. Now When we are going to write in descending order, directly I am going to write. Clear? So directly I am going to write from here like descending order. Please understand from here. Descending order. Here we are going to write once again for descending order. If you know the answers, please share your answers in comment section as well. Descending order means what? Bigger to the smaller. Bigger is your 8, then 6, then 5, 2, 1, 0. What I have done? I have done just the reverse of that one. That's all. I have not done anything else. I have just done the reverse of that given number. 8, 6, 5, 1, 0. Then we are having 8, 6, 5, 2, 1, 0. Then we are having minus 1, minus 3 and minus 4. And as well as it can be written as in descending order. Which one is bigger? Always 8 is bigger than, let's copy from here with the opposite symbol. 8 is greater than 6, then 5, then 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 3. After minus 1, what is there? Minus 3. And then at the last we are having minus 4. Clear, no? That means here all arrangement is same, only we are going to put the greater and smaller symbol to one another side. That is the difference. This is the second pattern of yours that we are going to discuss. First pattern will be your question related with absolute value, and second form of pattern of yours is ascending and descending order, in which we are going to discuss about the questions. Clear? Next, children, we are going to deal the another form of pattern based on these questions. Please try to write this, or if you want to solve, you can just take a screenshot of this one so that you can just discuss the same problem later on. If you have any query regarding these two concepts, you can discuss the same in your, you can give your valuable questions as well as in your comment section. I'll just try to resolve your problem over there. So please go with it. Then we are going to discuss the third form of pattern, that will be you arrange the number on number line. Third pattern of yours will be arrange the number on number line. So there are two ways to represent the number line. First is your 0 is a way we are going to segregate to represent the number on positive side. 0 is a number point where we are going to classify this number on both the ends. One is on our left side and other is on right side. On right side we are having a positive integers, on left side we are having the negative integers. These two concepts that you know. So third pattern which we are going to discuss will be your arrangement of numbers on number line. This is another form of questions, easy for you to understand. Please take a note of this one. Now I am going to erase. So children, before dealing with the problems of this chapter, you have to understand the basic concepts about the integers, their representation on number line, as well as what type of numbers are your positive number, what type of numbers are your negative number, as well as how you are going to segregate these numbers one after the another, so that you didn't find any difficulty while dealing with the questions of negative as well as positive integers from this topic. Clear, no? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to keep your attention on the segregation of integers as well. Clear? That means while dealing with the problems, first your job is to tackle the numbers. You have to look to the part of that number or in front of that number. If positive is not written, then also have to understand that the given number is your positive number. Clear? So third pattern of yours which we are going to write it about, so two patterns we have discussed, represent the given number on number line. Given number on number line. If I am going little faster, you have to give your suggestions in comment section so that I can check whether my speed is good. You are able to understand that or not. Otherwise, I'll reduce my speed as well. Clear? Since this is a numerical part, so you have to every problems which I have discussed here properly. Otherwise, it's of no use for you to understand that same thing. Clear? So while dealing with this one, what we are going to given number or number line. Questions can be asked like if your question is given -5, -5, 2, 0, this is just a 2, -5, 2, 0, 4, -3, 6, and last we are having 8. Clear now children? Few numbers only I have taken. If you can see your questions where long numbers are given. Anyhow, we are going to manage with these numbers only, where we are going to include all the numbers. First of all, to explain these questions, to represent this, we are going to write the number line. We are going to draw a number line. You know already how to draw the number line. So I'll take an scale, with the help of scale, we are going to draw a line. Understood? So that the line will be straight. You have to use the scale in your examinations as well to draw the line. Please don't make the line roughly and then you have to draw. You can use the scale also to draw the line. Clear? So I take a line where I will segregate this line in two equal parts. One is your which side of integers, positive side of integers, and another will be your negative side of integers. Clear? One side of your integer is what? Positive, like here. And here we are going to represent the positive side. Here we are going to represent the negative side. First of all, I'll segregate it accordingly. Like I'll start last number of negative integers of your list. You can see -5 because -3 is given, and -3 is greater than -5. Clear, no? So my last point, as per the given question, you have to decide. Please don't draw from 1 to 20 from both the sides. It's of no use for you. Clear? You have to decide as per the numbers or as per the questions what is your last number on the number line. So we are going to decide because last number is what? Last number is -5. So I'm going to write here first as in -5. Clear? First number of ours is what? -5. Now next, before that we are having reverse. I have started -4, then we are having -3, then we are having -2, then -1, here we are having 0, then we are having 1. Till where we have to go? We have to go till 8 because 8 is the greatest number which is given on this particular question. Clear, no? Then we'll go till 8. We'll see if the space is less, we can extend more. Then 0, 1, then we are having 2, then we are having 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our space is less, so I can use one more line to increase this size. And you have to take care of one thing, that your space will be short, that whatever the space you are having, it should be uniform. It should be uniform. There should not be any gap while you are leaving. One is so closest, another one is so far. That have the proper, you can say, space in between. Now 6, then we are having 7, and last we are having 8. And here I am going to increase. You can one more line, like here I have enclosed this one, close that part. Clear? Now while dealing with the problems, first our question is, let's start from your first is our, I use another color of marker to use that same so that you can easily identify. Like here I am having -5. Clear, no? -5 means what? Let me circle this part. This is our first point. Clear? Now again I am using another part, 2. 2 is your positive 2, that means I will circle it out here. Another I am having 0, then I am going to add here. Clear, no? Then positive 4, I will add here. Clear, no? Then I am having -3. -3 is in which side? 0, -1, -2, -3 is in this side. So I am going to add this as a -3. Clear, no? Understood? Next is your 6, positive 6. So positive 6 is which side? This side. So I mark this as a positive side, +6. Clear? And last is our positive 8. I have have marked it here. Clear? Understood? This is just the representation of number on number line. Whatever the things are given, and I told you 0 is, you can write, note it down for this one. 0 is neither a positive nor a negative, neither a positive nor a negative integers. Clear, no? That means 0 is neutral, neither a positive nor a negative. This is your which side? Just right side of your 0 is your, this side is your which integer? Positive integers. Clear? This side of yours is your negative integers. Understood? This side will be your negative. 0 is the way which is going to segregate positive with the negative one, and that side will be your positive integers. Clear? Now, when we are moving to the next part of this one is another problem that one more question I want to give you for you. You have to solve and share your answer. This is the question given by me. You have to represent the same question on number line and share your answers on comment section. Like your question is given. 4, 0, minus 4, and last is your minus 3, 6, 4, 5. Now here I have increased few digits, like here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and last is your minus 4. I am going to write here last number of your, this number is your minus 4. Clear, no? So this same number you have to represent on the number line, and you have to share your, like please, how many points I have given to represent on the number line? 1, 2, minus 2, 8, minus 7, 4, then 0, minus 4, minus 3, 6, 4 and 5. Clear? Understood, children? You have to represent the same on the number line. This number you have to represent on number line. This question you have to solve. Clear? Another pattern which we are going to discuss, another questions based on the other topic will be your measurement. That in our given content we have gone through the theory portions like conversion of mass, conversion of length, conversion of capacity. All three are having different unit. Mass is having the unit of kg and gram. Length is having the units of meter, kilometer and centimeter. Whereas capacity is having basically the units of liter and milliliter. Now here in this next one we are going to discuss the problem based on the topic measurement. We have discussed few problems based on introduction to negative number. Now children, next what? Please recall this again and again, so that if you have any query you can post your question in comment section. I'll definitely watch that. Clear? And if I find that you have a genuine query, then I'll try my level best to give the reply on that particular. So just watch. Again, if for any query you may contact with me through comment section. I'll go with the next video where we are going to discuss with the topic measurement numericals. We have the deep discussions on the numericals on measurement. Clear, no? So thank you. Have a nice day.